Hello everyone, my name is Faye. I'm junior. My passion project is about art. I usually just draw things, not people. Here is some of my sketch for art class. It is more of my work, but you can say there is no any face. I like to draw the fruit. So this time I decided to learn how to draw the face. That is project timeline. I plan to practice and I asked the art teacher for help. It is what I use in the project. The eraser, paper, and a different number of pencil. And this one I use in the shadow. The first one, the first phase, I learned how to draw the eyes and nose. And then I learned more how to draw about shadow. The second phase is my favorite actor phase. I learned how to draw the hair. The third phase, I think the hardest part is drawing the teeth and the mouth, and it's not very good. The fourth, it is my face, but it's not look like my face. And this time I learned more about drawing hair, and also I draw the background. After this project, I get better at drawing face, but I still have to learn more about drawing the human face. Doing this project made me able to help other people learn art, and also I didn't have any big problem during the year, but I still need to learn more about drawing texture for the face, and also how to make my drawing more real. Thank you.